Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jake with Seattle Coffee Gear, and today we're going to be talking about the pros and cons of a built-in espresso grinder or a standalone espresso grinder with your espresso machine. Today we have the Barista Express, the Baratza Encore ESP, and the Bambino Plus. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, that way you stay up to date on coffee content, blog posts, and more. Now let's get started. So the first pro of a machine with a built-in grinder like the Barista Express is going to be convenience. You have one plug, you have one machine, you have your grinder, your steamer, your espresso, all kind of in the same place, the same package. It can be really handy to just get used to this machine, familiarize yourself with just one single unit. So the second pro about a built-in grinder machine is going to be value. Usually, like with the Barista Express, you get a better value than if you were purchasing a similar level of espresso machine and espresso grinder separately. The Bambino and the Encore that we're going to be talking about are kind of an exception to that because those are also very good value items. But the Barista Express, compare this to like a Eureka grinder and a Breville standalone espresso machine, you're going to be seeing a little bit lower of a price and a better value for what you're getting all together in one single package. The third pro with the machine with a built-in grinder is going to be that the grinder is calibrated specifically for the espresso machine. Breville has engineered this and fine-tuned this grinder to work well with the Barista Express, same with all the other Barista models and Oracle models that they carry. Now, that's not necessarily true of a standalone espresso machine and grinder package, which we'll talk about a little bit later, but usually that involves more dialing in, more fine-tuning and things like that. So the first con with having a machine with a built-in grinder is going to be the size, the footprint, and the dimensions of the machine. So because the grinder is built in with the espresso machine, you don't have a way to separate the two, obviously, and if you have a counter space issue in your kitchen or if counter space is limited, sometimes a standalone grinder and a standalone espresso machine can be a little bit more flexible if you have narrow spaces or just not a ton of counter room. The second con to having a machine with a built-in grinder is that this grinder is going to be just for espresso for the most part. You can certainly try to grind coarser for some drip coffee or other brew methods, but it's really tricky with the way that the switch is set up, near the portafilter, and you're just not going to have the flexibility like a standalone grinder to brew multiple different brewing methods. You may need both the Barista Express and a smaller standalone grinder if you're doing a lot of drip coffee, French press, or pour over. And the third con with having a machine with a built-in grinder is going to be flexibility in terms of getting it repaired or serviced. So if your grinder components fail on something like a Barista Express, to get that repaired, you're going to have to lose your espresso machine and your grinder. Now, obviously, on a standalone grinder and espresso machine, you'll still have one or the other if one of them is in for service or needs repair. And that can be convenient because you'll still have some way to drink your morning coffee. It just might be with an alternative brewing method or an alternative grinder. Now that we've talked about the pros and cons of having a built-in grinder, we're going to go ahead and talk about some of the pros and cons of having that standalone grinder and standalone espresso machine. The first pro of having a standalone grinder and standalone espresso machine is that you can get exactly the features you want and nothing that you don't. This is the Baratza Encore ESP. It's a very simple grinder, but if you wanted something with a timed dosing or a weight-based dosing, it's going to be a lot easier to find that in a standalone grinder than one that's connected to an espresso machine. And then we have here the Bambino. It's also a very simple espresso machine for a home setup, but if you did want something a little bit more fancy, if you wanted additional temperature programming or things like that, it will be easier to find an espresso machine that's standalone that has exactly what you want. The second pro to having a standalone machine and grinder is going to be that you can upgrade either of these at any time when you feel like it. So say like with the Baratza ESP, I want something with weight-based dosing or timed dosing, something more than just the manual dosing of the Encore. You can upgrade that at any time and you'll still have your espresso machine ready to go for that upgraded grinder. The same goes with the espresso machine. If you wanted an espresso machine that's a little bit more advanced, something that you're wanting to turn coffee into a hobby more than just a morning routine, you can do that and still have your trusty grinder ready to go. The first con to having a standalone grinder and espresso machine is going to be that it's most likely going to be more expensive than an equivalent feature set on a built-in grinder machine. Now, both the Encore and the Bambino Plus here are pretty good values, but compared to the Barista Express, say you wanted, time-based dosing, you don't have that with this. You'd need something a little bit more expensive, and then it can just really add up as you're looking for those additional features. The second con with having a standalone grinder and espresso machine is going to be that it's harder to get it dialed in for the espresso range, especially if you're doing a lot of different brew methods. Now the Encore ESP, for example, it works, for the espresso range, but it's also great in the drip coffee and French press, type of ranges. But you'll always have to get it dialed back in for espresso when you're ready to go. With something with a built-in grinder, because it's dedicated mostly for espresso, there's not a big dialing in process each morning. I hope we were able to show you some differences between having a standalone espresso grinder and machine and having a built-in espresso grinder with your machine. Do you have one of these combos at home, or do you have a different espresso machine with a built-in grinder? Let us know down in the comments how it works for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with coffee content and news. Down in the description below, you'll also see a link to sign up for our newsletter. That way you can stay up to date with promotions, new product releases, and coffee content that we're putting out all the time. Thanks so much for watching, and keep making coffee you love.